I like a team sport. I like a sport where it takes everybody to make the play. It's been a part of my life probably since I was about 8 years old, playing in the street with the neighborhood boys. Next year, 2024, it will be my 50th year playing women's slow pitch. I play with women my age. To me, that's amazing by itself. Our catcher's 71. To be someone who grew up athletic and at 67 can still do it pretty good. It's amazing. Dr. Ballard replaced my right and left knee. I did the Portland Marathon in 2000, and prior to that did 3 half marathons. I love gardening, I love hiking, and all of those things kind of went away because of the pain. I actually met Dr. Ballard professionally first. In 2005, we started a hip and knee replacement program at Meridian Park, and Dr. Ballard was one of the physicians that helped design how that program would look. But then when I started to have trouble with the pain, I went to him. And I knew, just because being a nurse on the unit, that he was best practice. I knew I was going to have a good outcome. We had a lot of good orthopedic surgeons to pick from, but I also could talk to him. He always sat and listened, didn't pretend like he knew what I was feeling because he's never had a joint replacement. And so that's what I so appreciated, was I just felt like he listened to me. So I had my first knee surgery done in 2021. The second surgery was done in July of 2022. And I had it at a clinic in Tigard, so same-day surgery, which was amazing to me that we were doing it that way. The process was so smooth. In the OR, they played your favorite music, then waking up in recovery, where you recovered until you went home, taking your first walk with the physical therapist, and then going home. My leg felt stronger. I hardly needed my family's help at all after the surgery. After about 8 or 9 physical therapy sessions, I didn't have to go anymore. You know, if I had questions or concerns, the office was very responsive. They called me quickly. And actually one time I did get a call from Dr. Ballard out of the blue to just say, "How are you doing?" Man, that means a lot for a physician to maybe have taken a minute to think about you and give you a call. So just thinking about you, wondering how you're doing. Well, 7 months after the surgery, I played in my first softball tournament. Could run, could field, had good lateral motion. I'm gardening like a crazy woman. I walk, I ride my bike, and now being retired, I'm in a place where I can do them every day when I want, and I don't have the pain. Sometimes I forget I've had a knee replacement. I can be sitting and someone will go, "Wow, look at your incisions." "Oh yeah, that's right, I had my knees replaced."